Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can install Wireshark on a Debian machine. Now I'm going to be running the commands on the terminal. The first thing you might want to do is update your package repository. So the command is sudo apt update. Once you have your package repositories updated, you can go ahead and run the command to install Wireshark. The command is sudo apt install Wireshark. Y for yes. Okay, so it's installed. So during the installation process, you might get a pop-up asking whether you want to allow non-super users to capture packets using Wireshark. And since it's not recommended to run Wireshark as a root user, you just want to say yes to that option so that non-root users can run Wireshark and capture packets with it. Once you have Wireshark installed, you can check the version of it. You can say Wireshark version, and this should show you the version of Wireshark that you're running. Okay, now I can quickly show what version of Debian I'm running. I'm running Debian 12. We can do OS release, and this is the version of Debian that I'm running here. Now that we've installed Wireshark and we've verified we have Wireshark, we can run it from the terminal using, we can just say Wireshark. And as you can see here, it's not showing any interfaces that we can actually select to capture. So we need to use sudo in order to get those options. So do sudo Wireshark. And now I'm seeing the interfaces. This is the wired interface, and I'm actually seeing packets here. Now to capture packets, again, Wireshark is for capturing packets on your network. So on this interface, I can select it. This is where I want to capture packets on, and then click on this icon here, start capturing packets. And now it's capturing packets on the network. Now there's the option to filter. There's quite a few options here that you can use with your Wireshark tool. Let's quickly look at how we can filter. So you can, for instance, select a packet, and then you can say prepare as a filter, select it, and that shows you the option here that you're going to apply as a filter. It's going to apply a filter for the IP address that's shown here as a source, so ip.source. Any packet with this IP address as a source is going to be filtered and shown here. Now to apply the filter, you have to click on this arrow here, apply. Now it's applied, and all packets are going to have the 172.16.1.11 as the source. As you can see, all of them have that option. As you can see, all of them are showing this as the source. There's different filters available. You can also change this to just the IP address. Any packets with that as the IP address, apply as a filter, and it's going to show you any packets that have this IP address either as the source or the destination. And once you're done with the capture, to end it, you can click on this, and that ends it, and you have the option to save your capture. So if I try to close the window, I also have the option to save or quit without saving. Now if you no longer need Wireshark on your Debian machine, you can uninstall it using two commands here. So the command to uninstall Wireshark is going to be sudo apt remove Wireshark, Y for yes. Then you can do sudo apt auto remove to clean files. And that's done. And now if I do Wireshark version here, no longer showing Wireshark. So that's all for this video. That's how you can install and use Wireshark on your Debian machine. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.